The great TT Moss in the building with me 105 this week. What about brother?
There, brother. Elbow do it now.
Elbow do it, man. This is the thing, man.
Yeah.
2020, what a year.
Man.
It's the start of a new one now. So tell me 3 words to describe 2020 for TT Moss.
It's kind of slow. Yeah, but it never bother me because I really go out for the COVID thing. Really, because I really is a go-out person. It teaches you to improve for 2021.
Yeah, so there were improvements.
Yeah.
Slow. Give me one more.
Yeah. It's rough, brother.
Yeah,
I love things.
We just keep it real.
Yeah,
It's rough. As for most people, and you don't know, you as an artist as well as even a producer yourself as well too, how are some of the major ways that it impacted even you?
Well, kind of slow up the production part a little bit because since the label them kind of stop take songs out now because I think the thing gets slow now. There's no more label now really. So we do songs give to other artists like us. We have a production team who sell songs, you know?
Yeah.
Label them now really take a song like that now. So it kind of slow up whole part things. So shows, although I don't really do shows like that as an artist yet.
Yeah.
But it slow up a whole part things.
How did you use that time to be productive?
Well, it's a lot of things like I go through a lot of emotional thing with. You don't know people until when things slow. When things slow, you get to find out who people, you get to know the real people and know who with you, who not with you. So 2020 kind of show up a lot of people. You know me I say fake, for example.
Yeah.
Because it's a real youth. If I'm not go around come as a youth, if I do me straightforward, if I'm not straightforward, then I have to tell you straight up, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I kind of show up the fake people.
Yeah.
You understand?
That I go on, man. And we see say you've been productive musically as well too, because right now we're there because you have an EP where you drop right now.
Yeah. Well, presently, TT Moss work on it and it feature Beenie Man. And I have Ding Dong on it. I have a girl named Rihanna. And it is done already, finished the drop from early, but due to all some sample problem, come do some, coming over and try to merge dancehall with the old time dancehall, man, try to merge them together. But when we clear the sample, there's a lot of issue, a lot of problems. So I have to scrap it back and take back 2 more songs out of it and then redo it back. So every day I work on my writing.
Why do an EP as opposed to an album?
On the production side, I always do things for people.
Yeah.
I don't do nothing for myself yet.
Yeah.
So I want to do an EP first and test the people them.
Yeah.
On the artist side, right?
Yeah.
See what them feel and see if them accept it and then I do an album.
What's the name of the EP?
Bad Radio.
Bad Radio, explain the concept to it.
Radio friendly.
How unique is the creative process for you when it comes to producing and when it comes to being an artist? Like, is it very different for you? And which one you feel like TT must kind of relate to even more? TT must the producer or TT must the artist?
The producer.
Yeah.
Relate to the producing more. We still are coming there. We still are, you see me? But
develop as an artist.
Yeah. Still are develop a lot. The TT must is more. But still in the producing more. That's I guess why. But he's a good performer, I guess why he's showing that people really come like, you're a producer, artist, where am I?
Yeah.
Kind of art of balance, you know what I say? But I try to go through it same, you know what I say?
You feel like taking on the artist world is kind of, it take away a little bit from your productions?
Not really, because my professional part, so I'm good at what I do, so it's like it don't really take away nothing from it. But it kind of take away, the producer can take it from the artist, because to me build my own rhythm, kind of, you see what I say?
Even if we don't know about TT Moss as an artist, everybody know about TT Moss levels as a producer.
Yeah.
So we know say if there's a producer where you are working with, we know say that producer the levels must up the two. So is there?
I know one. Look, when I say first name was Jordan, you know?
Yeah.
Steven.
Yeah. So you like the new school so you them, you like the youth
school so
the youth them, yeah.
And for the rhythm bad me take it. You see me I say from the sound better than my one or so. It's a sound. It's not a competition, it's a sound. And sometimes
from it have a sound.
Get a look and get a bad rhythm or so. Yeah, me jump on that.
Is there an old school producer then now where you know you grow up I listen to you as a Jano and I love to get that opportunity for be produced by the person there?
Dave Kelly.
Dave Kelly.
Don't do it though. Steal it then, but you know.
Yeah.
I say Dave Kelly. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Sly or Rabbit, because they have a different international market.
That's true, man. So which song you're currently promoting right now?
Beenie Man, Gallus Routine.
Beenie Man. Genius, put the girl them fast.
First of all, you have a New Year resolution.
I want to work on a Kingston 20 in my era. A EP the Kingston 20 with some street youth and me and them together.
So an upcoming artist them in the place.
Lyrics thing and some grimy thing and them thing. They want to do that to show the people them how me really come up in the life. You know how me really live card. So when people really know the lifestyle.
Yeah.
Say Titi Richard.
So you're original from Kingston 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I say someone show them say boy, you know.
We see you still not drop guard with the image thing. BT.
Yeah, jump guard, ever jump guard, brother.
BT.
Yeah, jump guard, brother, you see it.
So master question, you ever get people that say, your Titi must have what kind of madman image? What kind of image that brother?
Well, anywhere I'm going on.
Nail polish and tattoo on face
yeah, that's why, that's one of the reasons why I did the artist thing. Because I don't really like the limelight. I'm a more laid back person, but it's like, if a woman got people like, yo, they're artists like, I even like America, you know, I even look up to them.
Yeah.
So I said, yeah, but I might have to just do it, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna say, all right. And then when I produce some, I do some melody thing and I sing on the rhythm. Them. If I rhythm, maybe I little DJ on it. And I said, boy, if I go to
might as well.
Artist. All right, might as well, let's do it, man.
Lastly, now, Titi, I want you to tell me what most makes Bad Radio, this EP, intense.
First name Bad Radio friendly. And I'm me produce it.
So I should have good radio name there.
Yeah, I know say anything when we do right.
Yeah.
Maybe I say people don't know, but who don't know.
Yeah, who know.
Yeah, and I'm mostly for the girls them. So yeah man, I'm work, I spend time with it, respect the flavor and the management team, you know.
Yeah.
So I say street cred, you know, Chili City. So give me a help with it and you know I say the whole thing, Chico them did everybody put in a hand so I say my friend them teacher, Timar and the whole work so whatever they are work together, isn't it?
Legendary, you know, Titi must who know, you're so fine now.
Alright.